What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll take a look at Chainlink again. We covered this yesterday, we'll do a quick update on it today again. It's been very bullish, alright, since basically Friday I believe, or since this weekend it has been very bullish. It actually started, like the first time I covered Link was back in September when it got this bullish breakout, and there I think the manipulation already started. As I said yesterday as well, I think Link is a little bit manipulated. I don't care, all right? I mean, manipulation in my eyes really doesn't mean anything. But I do think, I mean, you can see it right now. Like in terms of the price action right here, this was already pretty weird price action. A sustained uptrend, which is great, all right? Chainlink deserves that. But you see this more often. I mean, you see this more often with cryptos that don't really have any big fundamentals coming off. Like for example, I can show you WLD had a sustained uptrend like that. Render had a sustained uptrend like that. So I think Link is manipulated. Doesn't matter. I do think these moves also confirm it. And if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, you can see that about $450 million is coming from BK and Top Credit, which usually, if a lot of volume comes from those exchanges, it's manipulated. And then with Link, you can also see that a lot of more volume is coming from Whitebit, Upbit, etc. All right, so it is manipulated, but that doesn't matter. All right, it's just super bullish at this moment. And like I said, I mean, Link does deserve that. So the big question now is, where will this stop? All right, because if you take a look at the daily time frame, what you'll see is that now Link has found some resistance around $11, where there's also a 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. But if you compare that, with other levels, that's actually not that high. Let me quickly actually change this up. Yeah, so or that's not that high. That's actually not that strong. Like it found resistance around, like barely found resistance at $10. Actually got a bullish breakout off of that. And there was this major resistance level between $9 and 9.5, which it also did not pay that much attention to. So Link at this point is just bullish. There's nothing against that. All right, it hasn't shown any bullish or any bearish confirmation. Excuse me. And you can also see that the open interest until at least 3 hours ago was still very bullish. So after that, what you see is that the open interest and the volume start dropping down. So the last 3 hours at least, there is it is losing momentum, but that doesn't mean that much, all right? Because it is losing momentum, but if you compare that to the momentum in the last week, it's still a lot. See, it's still very high. So the big question is, well, right now, we're going to take a look at some liquidation levels. Right now, the main resistance level is most probably around $11. And most of the liquidation levels are probably around 11 and 11.2. And the main support is actually all the way down. Like there's minor support at $10. That's true. There might be a little bit of liquidation there. But the main support is 9.5. Like there, technically, that has the most support. So then, I'm trying to get through this video pretty quickly because I don't want to make it too long for all of you. But here you can see the liquidation heat map, and there you can actually see, excuse me, there you can actually see that most of the liquidation areas are between like 10.7 and 11. And then here at 9.9 and just above $10 actually at around like 10.2, 10.1, there's quite a lot of liquidation as well. So what we have to do today is see Link as the following, so that it's stuck in this area. And we're going to have to wait for a breakout. All right, that's the only thing we can do. At this moment, it still looks most likely that it will get that bullish breakout above $11 and that it will rally towards the next resistance level, which is right here, between 12 and 12.25. I almost have to cough. I'm trying to hold it in, but it's a bit tough. This seems most likely because you always, like when a crypto is rallying like this, you always have to assume it will continue. So this is most likely, but I have to say, with that open interest and the volume dropping down, personally, I would not go long. Like it's showing signs that it's losing momentum. And the moment that Link actually breaks down below $10, it will drop down to 9.5, but it will probably even drop down lower towards the levels around 9 and 8.8 because of the bearish breakout in combination in combination with the loss of momentum. So this is what we'll have to wait for. All right, I cannot make a prediction like it's going to go up, it's going to go down. That's just impossible to do with cryptos that move so volatile in such a volatile way. But now with this video, you hopefully at least know when you should expect more bullish momentum and when you should expect more bearish momentum. That's my analysis for now. That's my take. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.